Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to clear cache on Roku TV. Let's go. First way, open settings. System. Advanced system settings. Factory reset. Second way, press the home buttons 5 times. Press the up button. Press the rewind button 2 times. Press fast forward 2 times. Wait. Done. That's it. Now you know how to clear cache on Roku TV. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.